Neutral shades offer a chic and subtle look, suitable for any outfit or event. Find a shade that matches your skin tone for a flattering finish. Red nails show confidence and sophistication. Try out various shades of red, from classic crimson to deep burgundy. Pastel nail polishes are great for spring and summer, giving a soft and feminine touch. Try different colors like baby blue, lavender, or mint green for a refreshing look. Geometric nail art features sharp lines, spaces, shapes, and symmetry. Experiment with triangles, stripes, or zigzag patterns for a modern touch. Floral nail art is perfect for spring and summer also. Add delicate flowers or vibrant blooms to your nails for a fresh and feminine look. Special occasion nail polish styles. Shiny glitter and metallic nail polish is great for parties and special events. Nail polish styles offer a world of creativity and self expression right at your fingertips. Whether you like classic elegance, creative nail art design, or special occasion glamour, there's a nail polish style that suits your taste and the event. Experiment with different colors, techniques, designs, and others to discover your signature nail look. You should be look elegant in your whole party. Don't forget to take care of your nails with proper maintenance and enjoy the beauty and confidence that well manicured nails can bring to your daily life.